Hello traders, welcome to FX Mentor US, and in this video I am going to teach you the 1 minute scalping strategy that you can use in forex, crypto and the stock market. So before I start this video, if you want to join the best broker that I personally use, which is regulated and has a very good spreads into the market and very competitive spreads, then you can join this broker. The link is given in the description of this video below. They offer a variety of accounts from standard, cent, raw spread, zero and the pro account. You can find the link in the description of this video below. So guys, this strategy is very simple. You can use this strategy on 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute and up to 1 hour time frame. And if you're a day trader, then definitely you can use this. And if you're an aggressive trader, then you can still use it on the 1 minute, 3 minute and the 5 minute time frame. So we will be adding a couple of indicators. So first indicator that we are going to use today is the Arush system, and that is by Karthik Marar. Okay, then 400 and only 20 traders are using this system. So if I attach the system on my screen, so it has a basic look like this. Okay, the second indicator that I am going to use with this strategy is the moving average exponential, right? You can see a blue line is appeared on my screen. Now I am going to attach the third indicator with it, and this is by Shayan KM, and the name of the indicator is Wada Atar Explosion. So if you write in your trading view WADDAH WADA, then it will come in front of you, and you can see only 2,824 traders are using this indicator. Okay, now we will make some important settings inside the indicator. So please note down these settings because I will guide you with the settings quite slowly. So first of all, I went inside the settings of the Arush system. So I am going to check the first 3 boxes of the shapes and the bar colors, right? Okay, so the first thing is done. Then I'm going to the inputs of the Arush system. Okay, so here we will need one change. You can see on the third left, it says RSI period. So it is by default 14. So we want to change the RSI period to 28. Okay, and the other thing that I have already explained, that you need to uncheck the first 3 boxes, right? So this is the first setting of the Arush system. Okay, now I am going to the exponential EMA, exponential moving average. I am first going into I'm going to change the color to yellow, okay, from the style section, and then I'm going to the input section and I'm going to give it a length of 200, right? Okay, so now it's ready as well. So if I click this one, now you can see 200 period moving average is attached on my screen. Now the third indicator, that is the Wada Atar Explosion. So I'm going to the settings of this indicator. So you can see inside the inputs we have a sensitivity level of 150. We will change this level to 100, right? Okay, then going into the style section, we will do only one change and we will only uncheck the dead zone line, right? Okay, and now you can see explosion line is here, as you can see on the middle of the screen. So give it a better color so that it should look prominent on your screen. Now you can see the yellow color is prominent. Now our setup is completely ready to trade with this strategy. Okay, so as I have mentioned that you can use this strategy from 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minutes, 45 minutes and 1 hour. So this is going to be the best strategy on this YouTube channel. This is bit aggressive strategy, so please note that it's not important that you should be a aggressive trader. You can switch your time frame to the 15 minutes and the 5 minute time frames to be more I mean, if you don't want so much aggressive results. Right now I am taking the middle time frame 3 minutes so that everyone can understand it. Okay, so let's talk about the entry rules. Okay, so the first thing that you should have for example, you can see there is a 200 moving average. Okay, if the candles are above the 200 moving average, it means that it is the upward trend. If the candles are below the 200 exponential moving average, it means that you are into the downtrend. So let's talk about this signal that it was started from here. Okay, so this sell signal. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one, and now let's explain. So this sell signals come above the exponential moving average, we will not take any kind of position. But here the candle actually closes below the 200 EMA. It means that we can trust on the previous signal. Okay, now what we need to do, when we are seeking some signals from the Arush system, then we will check that either the WADA on the WADA explosion line, any red candle has break this yellow line. You can see there is a curvy yellow line in the middle. This is called the explosion line. So you can see here we have a proper break on this candle, that we have a proper break that this candle closes above the explosion line. So it's a perfect signal for us that the market, we have also received a sell signal from the WADA indicator. So you have taken a sell position, and you can see you have caught 3.13 trading ratio here. Okay, now you can see we have the buy signal. We are not interested because the market is below the 200 EMA. Okay, let's see how it's performing on USD CHF. Okay, so you can see here we have received a buy signal, but the WADA explosion line didn't break the yellow line, so it means that this signal is invalid. Okay, so this is how you need to trade those signals. So for example, here we have a buy signal. Let me remove this. Okay, here we have a buy signal, and you can see here the WADA explosion line break this one, so you can take a quick scalping chance. Okay, so you can take a quick scalping chance. You can set up a stop loss at the previous low of the market, or at the previous low of the candle. You can see 1.79 trading ratio is achieved here. Okay, so if you generally look at here, the market is a bit slow, but overall it was going fine here. And even if you look at this signal, that sell signal, if we talk about this sell signal, then I'm going to take a short position here. You can see we have received a sell signal on this candle, and also the WADA line, if you look at here, also breaks above the explosion line. So it was very perfect signal. So if we calculate the ratio here, then easily we were able to catch 3.16 ratio, and keep on ignoring the buy signals below the 200 EMA and take the signals that are above the 200 EMA, and avoid the slow pairs. Like for example, this is not a slow pair, this is going pretty fine. Sell signal on USD JPY, you can see close below the WADA line. Explosion was also break. You can see it is completely down. Ignore this by one. But if it closes above the 200 EMA, then definitely again we will be going to take a sell chance. Okay, now you can see why these sells are not running successfully, because you are already below the 200 EMA, and you can see this sell went completely successful, and this buy is also successful. So guys, this is the best indicator setup that you can use for the scalping purpose, and this is the best 1-minute trading technique in an aggressive way. And if you want to follow it in a slow manner, then you can consult the 15-minute time frame. Look, this is the ranging pair right now, so don't choose this one. So choose the better one that are trending. You can see you will be able to find very good results on the higher time frames as well. But I will recommend you to stay from 1 minute to 5 minute with this strategy, because this strategy is very powerful for the smaller time frames. So guys, what do you think about this strategy? Please let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe FX Mentor US, like the videos, and share these videos with everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video.